Okay guys, so we're back, but we're back with a sad video. I have a flat tire, but the problem is the that the tire has a blade. I want to put the video what the size of the blade it is, but man, I'm sad. I had to get a new tire. And I already tried to fix it, but no, the hole is too big. You can see it here. Yeah, the hole is too big. Ah man, let me see. You can see it better here. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my old wheels and tires. I'm gonna remove this one, and I have to order a new tire for now. Okay, I decided only to change this wheel. I'm gonna keep the other wheels because the other wheels are fine, and they are almost the same height. Because this one is low profile, but the other one, the other tire, my other wheel, is thicker. I already measured them. They look the same height. So I'm just gonna change this one. I'm gonna remove this one and put that one. Also, I have a problem with my jack. This one, let me see. You see it? This one, the second one, it gets stuck. I have to use a screwdriver to lift it. And I already opened this and left some oil out, but it still doesn't work. If any of you guys know what's wrong with my jack, or probably it's already bad, put in the comments, okay? Please put the information. I need to know if I need to get a new one or if this is fixable. If you know if this is fixable, put in the comments. If it's already bad, put it in the comments too. Thanks. On my original wheels, the OEM, I had a spacer, so I'm gonna leave the spacer because with this one it's gonna look nicer and better. Okay, let's continue with this. Okay, he's ready. My 19-inch wheel, it's already on the car. I already removed the other one. These are nice. The OEM wheels, they look great, but those are better. Okay, so on this one I have a spacer, and also I have longer bolts on that one. Okay, if you put the spacers, put a longer bolt. These are the OEM, so on that one I have longer bolts with the spacer, because with the spacer it looks flush with the fender. Without the spacer, the wheel looks like it's sunk in. Okay, so now I'm waiting for my tire. This is gonna be temporarily. It's gonna take like 2-3 days for me to receive it, and after I receive it, I'm gonna put this back. So remember, this is temporarily. I know some of you guys are gonna put in the comments that it's not good to drive like this with different tires sizes, but this is temporarily because I have no option. That one is bad. I cannot drive like that. It's dangerous. Okay? Okay, we're ready to go to the tire shop. I already received my tire. Here's my wheel with the hole. I already show you that hole. Now let me show you the tire. I forgot to show you. This is the tire. I got it in here, but let me get it out so you can see the... Ow. Yes. So this is the Atlas tire. Looks pretty good. Now you can see it. The size is 305 25 20. Yes. So let me show you a thread. It's thick and wide, and the quality looks good. Okay, so this is the tire that we're gonna install in here, because in here I have my spare wheel and tire. So let's go to the tire shop to install it. Okay, we're here at the tire shop, so I'm gonna drop it off so they can mount the tire on the old wheel, the new tire on the old wheel. Okay guys, finally we got the tire mounted on the wheel. So finally, okay, so this is the tire. It looks great. Has the thread is very deep and it looks good quality. The brand is Atlas for the tire, and the size is 305 25 20 R20. That's the brand. Okay, so let's put the wheel back on the car, because I'm using my spare wheel on the back right there. It's nice. I like those too, but these are 19s and these are 20s. So let's put the wheel back on the car. Okay, finally the wheel is back on my car. You can see it looks nice. I had to use a piece of wood to lift it because my car is too low and the jack doesn't fit. Okay, but now the wheel is back. This is the OEM wheel, but on my OEM wheel I was using a spacer. This, make it wider. This 15mm spacer on those wheels, but on this one no spacer. Okay, now let's drive the car for a little bit. Let's see how it feels with the new tire. Okay, let's test it. It feels great. Amazing. Okay, let's do another test. Nobody's coming. Let's do it. Feels amazing. Okay, that was the test. And the other thing, that TPMS error light, it went away. No more on the screen and no more here. Amazing. That's cool. Okay guys, finally I got my new tire mounted on my wheel and the car is fine. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the wrap. I already have a new color for the car, so hit the notification bell, subscribe for more videos like this one so you can see the new wrap color for my car. Okay, coming soon. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. The link for the tire is gonna be on the description of the video down below. If you wanna get these tires, they feel good, the quality is good, and the price is the best thing. Okay, the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Thank you for watching.